We'll get the little tabletop John Deere running. Look at that. Nice. Gotta get your coil hooked up. Got the coil hooked up. Yep.
Got plenty of gas.
Yeah, but they ain't under compression.
Huh?
Ain't under compression. Ah, you got it. Nice. There she goes. Look at that. That's cool, a little John Deere. You like that little tabletop John Deere, Tyler?
Yeah.
Hey, thanks for starting that little guy up.
Oh, I gotta get him going. Gotta get him running.
All right, let's check out what he got. What do you got here? A garden all pup. Nice. How about this one, Ty? You just sit in the back here, huh? That's pretty cool. Hey, thanks for bringing it into the show.
No problem.
All right, boy, there you go. Little John Deere and little garden pup.